Hi everybody, it's Sarah Gray, and welcome to day 5 of our 12 days of giveaway. Now, if you don't know what we're doing, every day for 12 days, we are grabbing a small business that we love and support and highlighting them and doing a giveaway to you fantastic people of one of their things. Okay?
Excellent.
So far, we have been introduced to Case for Making Paints, Canvas Lamp, Bella Classica Journal, the Krista Kuhn's ceramic brush and ceramic palette. So we have some really fun stuff, and we have another fantastic thing. I'm so excited about this one because let me tell you what, I love these brushes so much. They're such good quality. So these are Polina Bright brushes. And what I got for this lucky winner is an entire set. So you have 4 different sizes of rounds here, as well as a rigger, which is a liner brush. And sorry, these are my own. I love them so much. The reason why I love them so much is because they are the best of both worlds when it comes to rounds, which is they hold a lot of paint, but the tip on them is so needle sharp that you can get the finest lines with these round brushes, okay? They're truly fantastic. Polina Bright is an extremely talented watercolorist. If you go to her website, you'll see her art because she also sells prints, but she designed these brushes. She is fantastic, especially with portraiture. I mean, like, oh my gosh. Okay, so anyways, they're cruelty-free, they're high quality, and they are a little bit pricey. So I'm really excited that I can share these with you, okay? Because with watercolor, you know, with other mediums, it's kind of like the more that you have, the better. You can never have enough. And with watercolor, we really just have 3 elements. We have paint, paper, brushes, right? And palettes.
And water.
You're right. And water. I don't know if anyone would be excited about winning that, though. And so for me, to make my practice feel special and unique, I really love having these little, like, unique, special experiences. And a lot of that includes finding small businesses that make really fantastic items. And so that's what we're trying to introduce you to, just to make that experience for you, just that special moment. So you keep creating and that you keep investing in your creativity because it is so, so good for you. So the winner is going to win these 5 brushes. And I'm just thrilled. I'm so excited for you. So, Michael.
Yes.
Drum roll, please.
The winner of the Polina Bright brush set is Samantha Hull.
Samantha, congratulations. I'm so happy for you because truly, this is also one of those things that I was just like, maybe I can just take these and then give them something else. Even though I already have a couple, I'm like, but I don't have this one. You know, anyways, we will be emailing you to make sure we have the correct mailing address or to get your mailing address. Thank you so much for being a part of this community and following along. And if you're interested in looking at these paintbrushes, you can go to our caption on this video. We're going to include the website of where you can get them. I will say that these come from Australia, I think. So there is international shipping, but I think it's worth it. Fantastic, fantastic. I cannot wait for you to paint with these. They're so, so good. And I'll see you guys back here for day 6. Thank you so much. Bye.